हेलो। हाँ, कौन है? ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? Hello everyone, good evening. Am I audible right guys? Let me know in the chat box once. Hello YouTubers, hi. Guys, do participate in this poll and cross check whether I'm audible and my screen is visible to everyone. Do participate here quickly. Good evening Rahul Rathod. Good evening bro. Well. Yes Nandini, good evening. Good evening. How are you all? Yes, thank you for your response guys in our technical poll here. Good evening Prakriti. Good evening Rahman. Ram. Yeah, I'm good. Bit good. How was the day? Nice. Good. Good, Nandini. Well, yes, thank you for your response in YouTube. I'm audible and I'm visible also even. Good. Okay, guys, we'll start our today's session and everyone will be come very soon, I hope. And today in this class, we are going to discussing these three factors: electric field lines force, electric field intensity. Okay, these are the major three topics which we are going to cover today. Yes, good evening Sujan. Good evening Yashaswini. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, before that, to discuss these topics, we will take a quick recall. Recall में क्या है यार? Actually, yesterday we discussing about the Coulomb's law of force in a vector form. Correct ना? कैसे लिखता है उसको Coulomb vector form? देखो इधर. F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is a general format. Okay. If we want to particularly mention in a vector format, means these are the two charges Q1 Q2. Q1 applies the force on Q2 in this direction. That's why we'll write F21. If I am writing this F21 force, F21 will take here R12 and unit vector we need to multiply R12 cap. Yes, Swati, good evening. Good evening, Sri Devi. Right? This is a format which we know. And if I want to find out the value, if I want to find out the value of R12 का value पता करना है, means I will write R12 as an R2 minus R1 by using the vector addition law, especially triangular method, right? Triangular method. Good evening Sakshi. Good evening. Okay, this is a vector format, and also we discussed about the force due to multiple charges. Right, that is the principle of superposition we discussed. Means so many charges will be available in a free space. मान लो Q1, Q1, Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4. Now on the Q4, how many forces will be acting? Means we need to add all the forces which is acting on the Q4. Means first one will be due to Q1, force on 4 due to one charge, first charge. From Q2 also it is acting here, F4 due to 2, and Q3 also acting here, F4 due to 3. Like this we need to mention first. After then F net force can be written as F4 on 1 plus F4 by 2, F4 on 3 plus like that up to n number we need to add. This is the principle of superposition of. Right. Yes, guys. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Okay. Yes, thank you. Good evening, Mantesh. Okay, these are the methods which we discussed in our previous class. Okay, coming back to the point, yesterday I gave a question also to solve the question. No problem, again I will give the same problem here. Let me know, is there anybody solve this problem? If you solve the problem means, let me know which is the correct option among these four. Yesterday I didn't give an option in this format. Okay, if you are solved means do cross check your answer. Okay, and tell me which is the correct option among these four. A, B, C, D. Yesterday I generalized it, that's it. Okay, if you people are not at solved means let me know quickly, I will solve it now. It is better, right? No need to waste the time. Only we have 55 minutes of time. That's why. एक कॉर्नर वाले के फोर्स निकालना है ना हमको on this one. Okay, we'll solve this one. Look at here. And each side I given as an A. Correct? A is a each side. This is also A. Now all the charges they told us Q means the value of charge will be same. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 are all are same. We need to find out the net force acting on the B. देखो इधर they are explained here properly. Equal charges, four corners A, B, C, D, squares of a length A. The magnitude of the force on the charge B will be. On this charge we need to find out the force. On this charge how many forces are acting? Due to three charges are acting. First one is this corner, C corner में है, D corner में and A corner में. Due to C place में है ना charge. Third option. Yes, very good Ashwini. Well, okay. Due to C, the force will be acting along in this direction. That's why I will write this one as an FC. Force due to C. Simple method I will write. Okay. Due to A, the force will be acting along in this direction. That is FA. Correct now? Due to a charge Q, which is placed at A, force will be acting in this direction on this charge. And one more charge is there, D. The force which will be acting on this Q charge in this direction. Correct now? Here I will write FD. Right? While adding the force, guys, yesterday I told you just it's an 1 plus F1 plus F2 plus F3. Yes, absolutely we need to add the forces in that matter, in that composition only. But here we need to understand the vector law also. Option B, Sonali. Once you check it, ma. Check it once. Okay, cross check it. Look at here. FA is there now. FA means force due to these two charges, 1 and this one 2. Correct now? Actually, how we are writing the force? F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Q1 है Q, Q2 भी Q है, R square separation distance क्या है? ये है. देखो इधर ये. Substitute those values here. Then FA, this is FA will become K. दोनों Q है. That's why I will write here Q square divided by R square means separation distance here A square. Well, FA का value पता हो गया हमको. I will call this equation number 1. Similarly, FC value निकाल दो. FC value between these two charges, C point and as well as the A point. Clear है ना? And meanwhile, guys, if you are getting any doubt, please pass your doubt in a chat box. Okay? Yes, Niranjan, good. Yes, Yashaswini, right answer. Right answer. Okay, well done. Follow this one. Next, FC value will be again K, similar है. That's why I will write Q square divided by separation distance. देखो यही है. That's why it will be A square itself. I'm going to call this equation number 2. Correct now? But these two are in different directions. Means perpendicular to each other. Here we need to add these two means we need to use the vector addition. Okay, resultant vector in दोनों को बीच में, if it is 90 degree means resultant vector will become in this direction. In this direction. Are you getting my point? I'm not talking about the FD. Still we are resolving these two. These two I'm resolving now. Clear? Now, okay, look at here. These two resolution can be written as resultant vector is equal to a square plus b square. You know, write this one from the vector law. This is vector A, this is vector B. Means if the two vectors are perpendicular to each other, their resolution vector, or else we can say resultant vector, will be comes to be in this direction. It is under root of a square plus b square, like this. Vectors में होता है. In a similar way, here a square means it is nothing but fa in this direction. B square means it is nothing but fc, vertical direction, upward direction. Substitute these two values here, no problem. Substitute करने के पहले just observe these two values once. ये दोनों values को observe करो. Both are same or different? Tell me in a chat box. Is they same or different? Good evening, everyone. This is Shyam. Okay, I'm introducing myself. Please do participate in chat box. It's a kind request. Yes, good. अरे यार बोल दो ना. हाँ, good. Means दोनों same ही है, right? Then resultant vector I will write here under root of ये दोनों का square निकालना है, correct ना? K q square by a square whole square, correct है ना? ये value लिख दिया मैंने. B के लिए fc होता है, that is k q square by a square again whole square. दोनों same है, that's why I will add these two directly. If I add means it will come 2 times k q by q square by a square whole square, right? Then square and root will be cancelled. Finally, I will get the answer under root 2 into k q square by a square. This is the resultant vector. In this direction, correct ना? Resultant vector मिल गया. And this is resultant vector means उसी direction में और एक vector है force one. We are not yet resolve that one. We are not yet find that one. Now we need to find that one also. Correct है ना? Up to this point is understood to everyone, I hope. If you are not means please let me know. Okay, now look at here. This is a resultant vector, resultant one we need to find out again. I will use this figure again. In this direction we need to find out. This is A, this is A. This is if you are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem and if you are going to find out this distance 2 to Q4, it will come root 2 times A. Root 2 times A will come. Yes, Nandini, right answer. Root 2 times A will come. Now you apply the force formula here. Force due to A, B, C, D thana, D will be equal to K. दोनों charges will be same. Again, Q square divided by root 2 A whole square means R square means root 2 A whole square. This is the R value. And next, FD value will be K Q square divided by, if you square the whole term means you will get 2A square. Clear now? This is, I'm going to call equation number 2. Already we got one more equation here. Resultant vector. Look at here. I will call this equation number 1. Niche corner wala. Okay. Now this one and now we solve no this one. Dono in a एक ही direction में है. Both are in a single direction. So we can add them directly. No problem now. Right? ये आंसर थोड़ा ध्यान में रखो. Root 2 into k q square by a square है. I will add these two. Look at here. Okay, now look at here. F resultant one. Actually, total net force find out करना है. Resultant one means actually these two वाला I'm find out no. That one I will write here. F resultant one plus F D. Resultant वाला root 2 times the k q square by a square plus FD means here k q square by 2a square, this one. Correct now? ये दोनों term में k q square by a square is common. We can take common itself. Then k q square upon a square, if you're going to take common, means here it will come root 2 times, इधर root 2 है plus इधर 1 by 2 है. Correct now what I'm saying here? Look at here, this is the answer. Is there any option which is matching here? Check it once. Okay. We'll do one more step. Here. Actually, this is the answer, right answer. Up to this much who was solved, this is also right answer. But one more answer, actually, they took 2 as a common, means base as a common here, means they solved the denominator. We need to solve one more step here. Then f net will be come out to be k q square upon a square. Here, if you're going to multiply these two, means you will get 2 root 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Look at here, 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 will become. Now check it. You will get an answer option C. Right? You might be wonder, sir, k is not available here. Actually, guys, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught only k. Clear now? Is it clear, right, everyone? Yes, Ashwini, right? Is it clear for everyone, right? Let me know in a chat box quickly. Good Purnima, good Akila. Right, Nandini? Rutuja, right? Well. If it is clear, means guys, I will give 2 more problem to homework for a homework. Take this one also as a homework. I'm asking here in a 4 corners, I'm placing 4 charges, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. At the center, I'm going to place one more charge Q, capital Q. Okay, find net force. Find net force acting on it. Okay, find the net force acting on it. This is a homework question. Take this one as an homework. Right, exactly right, Purnima. Okay, take this one as a homework. I will send the notes and cross check this one. You will get the question. Clear? And then one more question. Here you need to calculate the net force on this charge. Net force on this charge Q. These are also Q1. Take this plus Q. This is minus Q. This is also plus 3Q. Okay, right, Hemant, right. Well answered. Here one more charge is there, Q, plus Q, this one also. Okay, this is a different one. You can't be able to find this one anywhere. I know. Okay, now find out the answer for this one. Clear? This is also homework question. Similar way, follow the pattern. And then we'll move to the next interesting concept. From this concept only, today, whatever the things I'm going to explain now, electric field lines and what are the new concept I'm going to introduce you all, that is basically depending on this concept. Okay, here the question says that for the given configuration, here one configuration is there, which point if we place a plus Q charge, the force acting on it will become 0. Here one small printing mistake. Along the line joining 2 charges here. This is plus Q1, this is plus Q2. In which point, if I want to place a charge along this point, I don't know where I want. Okay, if I want to place one charge, okay, it should experience 0 force. 0 force experience करना, which is that point we need to find out. Okay, मान लो ये दोनों का distance कितना है? R है. ये दोनों का distance है R. At the middle. Yes, Sagar, well, bro. Advanced. I'm really happy for you people. Exactly. Why? Okay, now tell me why it experience 0 force that point, what you are actually saying no, that point mein, why it experience zero force? Yes, good Nandini. Actually, those who are watching in YouTube, no. For you people, I will give the reply. Maximum 1 or 1.5 minute hota hai, because live and YouTube will be not in a similar mode. Clear na? Both charge act towards the middle force becomes zero. Net force is yes, Manthan, yes. Okay, I will give the clarified answer for that one, Sagar. Okay, wait for just 10 or 12 minutes. They exactly will reach there. Clear na? Okay, in which point we need to keep the charge, we'll discuss. That is also a plus Q charge. I don't know where I want to keep. Okay, just for a sake, opposite direction, same magnitude force. We'll check. I will take this point. I don't know this point where it is located. That's why I will take from the Q1. From the Q1, this point O is located at a distance X. I will take X. Okay, and total distance will be R. This O point is at a distance R minus X distance में from Q point से होता है. This is total distance will be R, means a remaining a first charge से O तक X distance है. Remaining distance क्या होता है this one? It will be R minus X only. Clear na? Now, at this point charge is there, plus Q charge, means this charge is applying force on this direction. Force apply कर रहा है means we need to write the force equation. Okay, force equation क्या होता है? K Q1 and then Q divided by separation distance is X square. General format में लिख रहा हूं मैंने. Call equation number 1. I will call this one as F1. Force F1 होता है ना? Good. And Q2 also applies the force on this charge which I kept on the line joining point in the opposite direction for the first one, right? That's why I will write here F2 is equal to K Q1 Q2 Q divided by, ये दोनों का बीच में डिस्टेंस क्या है? R minus X है. That's why R minus X whole square. I will call this equation number 2. Actually, these two forces are equal in magnitude. Correct ना? Newton's third law obey करता है. मैंने बोल दिया था. Right? That's why whether the here we need to prove that zero, right? Equal forces acting in opposite direction means, right? Equal forces opposite acting opposite direction means net force क्या होता है? Zero होना चाहिए. Right? In that manner, I will take here F1 दोनों force को add करना है plus F2, but F2 is in opposite direction. No, that's why I will put signature minus is equal to 0. I will substitute these two equation in this equation number 3. ये दोनों equation को equation number 3 में substitute करता हूं मैंने. After substituting that one, look at here what will be happen. Magic तो नहीं होता है, कुछ calculation होता है इधर. Okay, F1 means K Q1 Q divided by X square minus of K Q2 Q divided by R minus X whole square is equal to 0. And this Q1 Q2 है ना, Q1 equals to Q2 होता है, दोनों same ही है, right? Now this is a negative term. I will take this one to right hand side, then it will become positive, right? Q1 Q divided by X square is equal to, right hand side ले रहा हूं मैंने, K Q2 Q divided by R minus X whole square. मैंने बोल दिया है Q1 is equal to Q2. Hence, these three terms will be cancel each other. Remaining thing will be 1 by X square. Either right hand side 1 by R minus X square. Okay, cross multiply this one. Cross multiply करने से क्या होता है? R minus X square divided by X square will be equal to this side 1. Right? What I will do? This is whole square. Okay, we can write this one as R minus X divided by X whole square also. is equal to 1. रॉन्ग होता है क्या ऐसे लिखने से? नहीं तो राइट, रॉन्ग तो नहीं है ना? If it is wrong means let me know, I will change the method. Correct है right? Okay, cool. If I square both sides, what I will do? Square on both the side. If I square on both the side means this square will be get cancelled. Then r minus x by x is equal to, here also 1 will become, plus or minus 1 will become. Actually when you are going to take minus 1, no, minus 1 will not give the exact significant here. That's why we will take plus 1 only, right? Then r minus x value will be equal to, multiply this one here, x will become here. Then r is equal to minus x. If it comes to this side means plus x, means x plus x will be 2x, and the x value we need to find out where it is located actually. A line joining point where it is located we need to find out. That's why take 2 to left hand side. Then x value will come out to be r by 2. Means exactly ये दोनों को बीच में distance है ना, it is r है, right? Exactly if you're going to keep this third charge in between the line joining points, exactly at the middle, the force will be experienced by this charge will be equal to 0. Clear, right? Is it clear? Yes, yes, Manthan, right? Yashasasmi, right? How many of you are clear with this question? Let me know in a chat box quickly. Do pass your message. Thank you. Good, good Hemant, good Sagar, good Preeti, Akila, good. Are yaar, only 5 to 6 members. I don't know today. You people are exhausted, right? Already your energy is also exhausted. Sonali well, Swati good. Okay, आपका एनर्जी बढ़ाने के लिए सादिक is good bro. Jenvi Kodogu. Front square on both, from square on both the side. I didn't understand. Either na. Okay. I will explain you. Look at this question. Okay, I will take this one in a different screen. Look at here. Kodogu who asked this question. No, yes, I understood, bro. Okay, r minus x whole square divided by x square is equal to 1. Simple method I will tell you. If I square both the side, square on both the side means root square. Sorry. It's my mistake. Root square on both the side means what will be happen? Sorry, yaar. Okay, pardon. Okay, that time root means 1 by power of 1 by 2 hota hai. 2 will be cancel hota hai. Correct na? This side will be root comes, right? At the time r minus x by x is equal to, here root 1 means plus or minus 1 will become. Correct? And here we are not taking minus 1. Minus 1 we are not taking because it will not give the exact answer. Means outside of the charge it will become. Right? That's why we are taking only significant plus 1. Okay, then r minus x by x is equal to 1. R minus x is equal to x. This is multiplied here. Cross multiplication. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, r is equal to 2x. X is equal to r by 2. Okay, shall I ask one interesting question? Okay, good. Look, okay, देखो इधर. This is one body. This is another body. Okay, these two bodies are charged, positively charged. Okay, if I bring these two near means what will be happen? Let me know in a chat box. What happens if I bring these two? Good everyone. Ripple. Good. Okay, repulsion is maximum. Correct now? Good. Now actually मैंने charges को कम किया. अब what it will do? Whether it will repel or attract? Repel. Good. और कम किया मैंने, 2 ही चार्जेस है, इसके ऊपर बहुत चार्जेस है, इसके ऊपर बहुत चार्जेस है। रिपल लेस, I want answer now. I am bringing these two bodies near, whether it will be repel or attract or neither. Don't react. Sangeeta, well, okay. Interesting fact क्या है ना, now it will be attract. Now it will be attract. It is actually based attraction and repulsion based on the charges which are accumulated on the surface of the material. This is an interesting fact. Believe me or not, you can borrow this. Who are following the Pradeep's fundamental? If you know that book means well, it is also good material for the IIT and NEET. In that book, actually, they given this concept. Concept means question concept hota hai udhar. Okay, udhar at that one particular area, he mentioned that if it is depending on attraction and repulsion based on the charges which are distributed over the surface area. Okay, if charges is very less on one body compared to the another body, there might be the body will be get attracted. Clear now? Clear, right? Here attraction will be takes place due to the charge concentration. And one more point, if it is understood means yes, thank you, good, interesting and a question. Now look at here, this body is neutral, right? Neutral body, right? Now tell me whether this neutral body is attracted with charged body or repel. Whether it will be repel or attract. Yes, good to see the answer. Now it will be again attracts. Good answer, guys. Well done. Okay, we'll move to the today's topic, that is electric field. Right? Actually, I told you guys why that charge which is placed between two charges along the line joining point, it will not experience the force. No, I will tell the reason here. I will tell you the reason here. First, we'll go through the what is the meaning of electric field. Wait, bro, wait. Yes, your answer is correct, Sagar. I agree with your answer. Okay, electric field क्या होता है? देखो इधर, electric field is a region or a space around the charge or system of charges within which other charged particle experience the electrostatic force. ये क्या है इतना बड़ा वाला sentence? I will tell you in simple way. मान लो this is me. Okay, this is me. अच्छा है ना मैंने? Okay, good. I'm Guru. Means okay, if someone will become student nearby me, means he will recognize me as a physics teacher. Correct now? Yes, bro, right. Yes, Kodogu, right. Okay, he will, a person hai na, he will recognize me as a physics teacher. Means the physics which is present around me, that is my field. Everyone will be recognize me by the physics field only. Correct now? Right, what I'm saying? In a similar way, here one charge is present. मान लो this is a charge. This is a charge. Q, or else you might use capital Q, no problem. It's a charge means a charge के पास with some area, it contains some field. Okay, that field is known as the electric field. Simple, they told here. Look at here. Electric field is a region, space around the charge. Charge के अगल बगल कुछ field होता है, that is known as the electric field. And of course, I told you that I'm a physics teacher, means everybody will recognize me as a physics teacher. है. Correct now? Is there anybody will able to see the physics around me? Either physics hai, like that? No, right? Obviously, right? No, they can't see the physics. Yes, like that only. Around the charge field is there, but we can't able to see the field. right? That is an energy field. Okay, if they can experience that one, if someone will become in my field, means I will teach them some physics, means they will experience what it is physics, what is the physics there. In a similar way, if some other charge, we call this one as a test charge. Test charge will become in this field, means this test charge will experience some force from this charge. This charge we called as an source charge. Source charge. इस source charge के region में any test charge will come, means it will experience the force. It will experience the force. Clear है ना? This force is experienced due to that field which is present around the source charge. This is all about the electric field lines. Okay, and practically here they mentioned theoretically electric field extends up to infinity. Up to infinity तक electric field होता है, but practically it is limited to a certain distance only. It is limited to a certain distance. Hope it is clear. Clear now? Let me know in a chat box, yaar. Cool. If I'm seeing your text messages in a chat box, no, I will get some energy. That's why. Cool. Well, okay, kaise hota hai? Look at here. If it is a positive charge, look at here. The field lines, मान लो this is positive charge, means field lines will be moving away from the point source. If you're going to take this one as a source charge, means source charge, look at field lines are moving away from the point charge. Direction also you can see here, right? Correct na? Okay, good. If I'm going to take negative charge, means negative charge kya hota hai then? Is there any guess? If I'm going to take negative charge, means yes, field lines are coming towards it. Right, exactly right. This is all about the electric field lines. Look at, you might be observe one more point here. Electric field lines, if I'm going to draw one line here, means this is a region. If I draw, means okay, in this region electric field lines are little crowd. If I compare to this space, second line, correct now, we can say where the origin of electric field lines will be generated. No, from that place electric field strength is more compared to the outside. Cool. Well, it's a density बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. And I will give the answer what you people are expecting me. That is actually last problem मैंने solve किया था ना. Force will be acting between our two charges at the line joining point. It will be 0. Answer will be available here. Look at here. These are the two charges. We know from the positive charge. क्या होता है? Electric field lines will be moving away from the charge. Like this, they will be moved. Correct ना? Up to infinity they said. Negative charge के लिए, they will move inward direction like this. Correct ना? They are coming from infinity to here. If isolated charge, remember the name, isolated means single charge should be there in a space. मान लो this minus q charge is not there, means these charges which are generated here, no, they will go up to infinity. If in the presence of this charge, plus charge, if there any negative charge will become, means what will be happen? Look at here, like this electric field lines will be joined. Like this electric field line will be joined from where to where? Look at, you might be get an idea here. From positive charge electric field lines are starting, direction also showed here, okay, and then they are ended at the negative charge, right? Positive charge से start होता है and negative charge में end होता है, right? Correct ना? In a similar way guys, I don't want to disturb this so much. Why it is not playing? Okay, in a similar way, I don't want. In a similar way, if I'm going to take two positive charges, two positive charge. Actually, I kept two positive charge now in that problem. Look at what will be happen. Along the line joining point, you might be observe here. If I keep any charge here, no force will be acting on it because field lines which are coming opposite end, they are moving in this direction. Look at here, no force lines will be coming at this region. That's why if I keep any charge in between these two charges, okay, no force will be acting on it. Clear, right? Sagar, I think it is clear now. Let me know in a chat box. Sagar and everyone. Yes, I solved one problem. No, 2 point charges like this. This is a 1 point charge. This is a second point charge. Those are plus charge hai. In between our charges, line joining point, if I keep any 1 point charge means this charge point plus charge will not experience any force because no field lines will be acting on it. That's it. Yes, that's great. That's great, guys. Guys, actually, sorry, I'm launching the poll now itself. Please do participate because everyone is going out of the class. I don't know why. Class is interesting, right? What are the points which I'm saying? Is it understood right for everyone? Artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಲ್ಲ? Yeah, thank you. Okay, I won't look at that NPS poll. What you giving? Okay, good. This is all about electric field lines for the positive charge and as well as the negative charge. Clear enough? We'll come to the next point. What it is there? Electric field lines forces exerts lateral sidewise pressure to the present repulsion between yes, it's a lateral pressure, guys. Actually, this is what lateral pressures like this. That's why they're not at meet at this point. Cool. We'll come to the next point, electric field strength. This is very important. We discussed this the same point in a gravitational field strength also. Okay, no worries, I will tell you. Electric field strength क्या होता है? देखो इधर. This is the positive charge. Okay, in this region, actually, if I'm going to bring any one test charge, this is test charge. Q naught always will be placed as an test charge. टेस्ट चार्ज क्या होता है? Do you know what is the meaning of test charge? If scientists they will find any new medicine means, okay, before approving that one, what they will do, they will test that medicine on some persons, those who are coming voluntarily, right now. In a similar way, we are going to find what will be happen due to this source charge and some other charge. Okay, we call that one as a test charge. And generally, what we will take? No, test charge do not have electric field strength. Will take electric field lines. Okay, field lines. It doesn't have any electric field lines like that. We will take, but it is wrong. It is also having a electric field lines. Charge means all the charge should have a electric field lines. But here in this case, why we are not taking field lines means, yes, absolutely right, Ashwini, because comparatively source charge, test charge doesn't have that much of potential. Means field lines उसके बगल में क्या होता है? बहुत छोटा लगता है. That's why we are considering as a test charge doesn't have any charges. That's it. Clear enough? Meanwhile, if you are getting any doubt means, please drop your doubt in the chat box. Don't forget. And then, okay, a charge means a test charge के ऊपर क्या करता है? ये force apply करता है, right? Force apply करता है. कैसे apply करता है? Along the line joining point in this direction. This is a force on test charge due to source charge. Correct now? How much force exerted on this test charge? We need to calculate. If we are calculated that one means that quantity we called as an electric field strength. Simply, electric field strength means force acting on a test charge. Force acting on test charge, if we calculate it, means it gives the electric field strength. Electric field strength के लिए definite symbol होता है E. Clear? E is the symbol for electric field strength. Hope it is clear to everyone. Clear now? Is it clear? Good. And meanwhile, please do note down this things also in a notebook. Don't sit ideally. Good, Preeti. Good. Good, Devegowda. Well. Good, Sagar. Well, Sakshi. Okay. Let me know, guys. Then what will be the SI unit for this one? SI unit क्या होता है इसके लिए? What will be the SI unit? Good. Force के लिए क्या होता है? Newton divided by charge के लिए coulomb. Newton per coulomb is the SI unit for this one. Then tell me what is the dimensional formula? Dimensional formula. Take your time. No worries. Tell me the dimensional formula. That's it. Well, Devegowda. Well tried. We'll cross check that one. We'll cross check it. Okay. Newton के लिए formula होता है. Newton is coming from the force only, right? kg meter per second square. And then coulomb is not an fundamental physical quantity. Correct? Now we need to convert this one. Fundamental physical quantity means we need to take from I is equal to Q by T. From this format only we need to derive this one. Q stands for here coulomb, no. Then T will be multiplied here. Then current into time, which gives the charge, that is coulomb. Correct now? Then either this format I am writing here in denominator. Current means ampere. A. Okay. Time means second. Correct? Then take all this term to upside numerator. Then kg meter second to the power of -2. Here A will comes to the numerator means -1. S will comes to the numerator means s to the power of -1. Here s to the power of -2, s to the power of -1 means s to the power of -3 will come. Correct now? Then kg meter s to the power of -3, a to the power of -1. This is the format. Now we need to represent this one in a fundamental physical quantity. Square bracket में लिखना है इधर. Okay. By noting this one in this format. M, L, T, उसके साथ साथ ampere भी आता है इधर. Ampere. Now we need to raise the power of this fundamental physical quantity by looking these units. Mass to the power 1, length to the power 1, time to the power 3, current to the power -1. Cross check this one. Right, Ashasmi. Right, Kodogu. Janvi Kodogu. Right answer. Right. Excellent effort. Right, Impana. Right. Devegowda, cross check your power once. Power को cross check करो एक बार. Okay. Everything is correct. Clear now? Is it clear to everyone? Yes, that's great. Okay, next, electric field strength only. फोर्स एक्ट कर रहा है मींस यूनिट टेस्ट चार्ज के ऊपर कितना फोर्स आता है देखते हैं इधर. ओके ना, look at here, this is a plus charge. Due to plus charge I'm going to keep on test charge. This is a q naught is the test charge guys, which is kept at a distance r or somewhat. Okay, force will be acting away from the test charge, means because this is a positive charge, no, that's why field lines will be acting away from the test charge, right? Then if I'm going to take the negative charge के लिए फील्ड लाइन का स्ट्रेंथ इसका भी होता है, बट डायरेक्शन क्या होता है देखना है. लुक एट योर डायरेक्शन विल बी टुवर्ड्स द टेस्ट चार्ज. ओके गाइस, वन मोर पॉइंट, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ व्हेन वी आर डिफाइनिंग नो F by Q naught. Okay, electric field strength direction will be same in the direction of force in which direction it is acting. Look at here, first charge का डायरेक्शन इधर था, hence electric field lines का डायरेक्शन भी यही होता है. second scenario में या force will be acting towards the source charge, hence electric field strength का direction भी same होता है, towards the negative charge only, right? And here Q stands for source charge, Q naught stands for test charge, F is a force, E is the electric field strength, right? And then next thing is, okay, formula I written here, you might be cross check this one. And if I'm writing, okay, how this formula will come, okay, this formula we need to rewrite again. Look at how we need to write this one. Actually we're defining this one by the help of the test charge which is placing there. कैसे देखो इधर, electric field strength will be equal to force by unit charge. मान लो this is the example which I'm going to use here, okay, right? And here force means क्या होता है, coulomb force. What will be the coulomb force will be exist between these two particle, we need to write here. coulomb force equation क्या होता है इधर, K Q plus Q into Q naught second Q divided by R square into here one more Q naught is there, substitute Q naught here. Q naught will be cancel, Q naught will be cancel, remaining thing will be here, electric field strength will be equal to K Q by R square. Look at here, it came K Q by R square. And if you want to find out that particular direction, means multiply the unit vector to it, right? They expanded this format, K value substitute कर दिया इधर. K value substitute करने से क्या होता है, electric field strength will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught if it is in free space into Q by R square into unit vector R cap, right? Right, exactly right. Hope you all understood, right, this one. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Good, good. And I have one interesting question here. Is this electric field strength is depending on the test charge? Is electric field strength depends on test charge? I need answer from each and everyone. Each and everyone. Good. It is not depending. Correct ना? टेस्ट चार्ज के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं कर सकता. गुड कोडोगो, गुड. Well, good Swati. Good answer. Look at here. The test charge is considered to be vanishingly small because its presence should not be alter the configuration of the charges, and thus the electric field which is intended to be measured. Means test charge का value बहुत कम होता है. That's why we are not considering the test charge electric field lines. Clear? And then we'll move on to the next factor. Few note points. Okay. First point is that since Q naught is taken positive and the direction, I will go through. Okay. Since Q naught taken as a positive, direction of electric field is along the direction of the electric field line force. This is the first point. Second point, electrostatic force on a negatively charged particle will be opposite to the direction of electric field. Correct now? And then third one, electric field is a vector quantity whose magnitude and direction are unequally determined at every point of the field. Electric field vector quantity whose magnitude and direction are unequally determined. Okay, I will explain this one in a electric field intensity due to multiple charge. Okay, in that point, in that situation, I will explain this one. Okay, cool. Next, SI unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. These are the things which we covered up to this point. Clear, right? Look at here. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू पॉइंट चार्ज के लिए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी क्या होता है? लास्ट पॉइंट है, ये लास्ट पॉइंट बोल के फिनिश करता हूं आज के क्लास. ओके, इधर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के लिए इक्वेशन क्या आ गया था? के क्यू अपॉन आर स्क्वायर आ गया था, जनरल इक्वेशन. करेक्ट. नाउ दिस इज अ चार्ज, मान लो दिस इज अ चार्ज, पॉजिटिव चार्ज. इट्स force lines will be moving in this direction like this. Okay, if from this point towards in this direction, if I'm moving means distance is increasing. If the distance is increasing means electric field strength will be decrease hota jata. That is what actually this equation is representing, right? Look at here once. If R value will be increases in a denominator, R value will be increases means electric field strength will be decreases. Electric field will be decreases. How much? Right, exactly, that is also 4 times. If 2 centimeter if you are going to move means electric field strength will be decreased by 4 times. 4 times decrease होता है. करेक्ट ना? इसको ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में रिप्रेजेंट करना है इधर. This is multiple charges ना. Sorry, just a minute. We'll take that one. This is actually I done here. Yes. Look at here. We are taking the electric field strength along the y-axis and position means distance which we are measuring along the x-axis. No, that is along the x-axis. If we are going on like this means we will get a curved line like this. Why the curved line will become like this means it is just because of the graphical representation. Actually, how it will be there? Look at here. Electric field strength is proportional to 1 by r square. We can write this one as an electric field strength will be proportional to 1 by r whole square itself, like this. Okay, we can convey this one, or we can relate this one to the graph, that is y is equal to r. Y is proportional to x square. 4ax will come constant, that's why I'm taking proportionality. Y is equal to 4ax square means how the graph will become? How the graph will become? This is y, this is x means graph will become like this. Correct what I'm saying? Means single term kidhar hota hai, udhar graph will be start to open. Correct na? In that parabola, exactly parabola. Correct na? In this manner only we actually draw the graph. Hope it is clear for everyone, right? The concept which I taught today, no, is it clear to everyone, right? Let me know in a chat box. We'll wind up this session. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you everyone, guys. Thank you for your support also. Meanwhile, actually this is the last class, I know. You people will already watch 2 classes. No, last class how you people will take, I don't know. Means already you will get bored, and how the interest will be getting for the 3rd class. That's why today last 2 classes you people are like peak level tha. 45 members or 42 members will be stayed up to last minute. Today already it is decreased to 26 members. I don't know. I don't know who is another Janvi Kodogu. Don't know exactly. Okay, thank you everyone. Will okay. Bye. We'll meet tomorrow. We'll discuss tomorrow few interesting questions. We'll solve the problems tomorrow. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you, Akila. Thank you, Ananya. Thank you, Priti. Bye. ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ, ಬಾಯ್ ನಮತ್. ಸಾಗರ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೊನಾಲಿ ಬಾಯ್. ಬಾಯ್ ನವನತ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ. Okay, I will wind up this session.